A mid-sized tech company faced challenges with disconnected tools and unclear marketing ROI. They needed to scale and prove results. Partnering with TechnoBase IT solutions, they implemented a powerful marketing automation platform, streamlining campaigns across various channels. AI-driven lead scoring and CRM integration brought structure to their marketing-to-sales pipeline, enhancing speed and efficiency. Personalized campaigns went live faster, boosting email engagement like never before. The team could now focus on strategy, not repetitive tasks. In just 12 months, they achieved 217% ROI, 68% more qualified leads, and a 76% drop in execution time. A stunning transformation. At TechnoBase IT Solutions, we don't just automate, we optimize your marketing to deliver real business growth.